Welcome, and today I'm going to show you how you can open your credit card on Lloyds Bank. So what you'll need to do is basically go to their official website, and here you will see credit card page. Click on that one and then click on check your eligibility. So you will need to check if you're eligible to get a credit card, and if you click on that one you will simply need to click on check now. Here you will need to enter some information about you, and after that you will need to be over 18, be UK resident, have a regular income, not be currently bankrupt or be subject to individual voluntary arrangement or country court judgment, and not have already applied for a card and been declined in the last 30 days. So what information we will ask you: your annual income, the account number and sort code of your main current account, details of any non-Lloyds Bank credits or store cards if you want to make balance transfer as part of this application. So once you check this eligibility, then you want to go back, and here when you click on the credit card, as you can see, there's activate your card. So click on that one, and you can do this all by yourself by clicking on this online form guide where it says activate your credit card. After you click that, you will need to enter your credit card number, date of birth, expiry date. Then click activate it, and that's it. Your account is activated. So thank you guys for watching. I hope this video was helpful. Please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, and we see you in the next one.